talk about my years. How much oil is there? There is a bottle of oil. How many bananas are there? There is a kilo of bananas. First we have that is cup of tea, glass of water, jug of lemon, bottle of oil, can of cola, carton of milk, pot of yogurt, jar of honey, bucket of popcorn, loaf of bread, piece of cake, slice of pizza, bar of chocolate, bar of soup, box of cupcakes, tin of tuna, dozen of eggs, packet of chips, bowl of cereal, tube of cream, bunch of grapes, kilo of bananas, bag of potatoes, pail of biscuits,